Krishna. Today we will see a delicious snacks which will be liked by kids the most. That is cutlet. The ingredients required for cutlet are 6 numbers of potato, boiled, peeled off and smashed. 100 grams of green peas, 150 grams of carrot, 100 grams of fresh French beans, 1 inch ginger, half tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, 1 tablespoon Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon Coriander powder, salt to taste and groundnut oil. Breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour mixed with water. To start the preparation of cutlet, we have to add 4 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Now add the chopped ginger 1 inch. Once it's fried, we can add the vegetables one by one. Green peas, carrot, French beans. Add 1 teaspoon salt to taste, then chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder and jeera powder. Mix it well so that the spices are added to the vegetables nicely. Till the raw smell has gone away and you will get a nice aroma. Till that time we have to dry roast it. Now we are getting a nice aroma from this mixture. We can smash the vegetables a little. After this, we can add the smashed potatoes and mix it thoroughly. That is the very important step, so that all the vegetables, the masala, salt, everything gets mixed nicely. Already we have added salt to the boiled potato, green peas, and previously we added 1 teaspoon salt. Now we can add half teaspoon. While the vegetables have mixed thoroughly, we can off the stove and we can smash it further. Now the stuff is ready. We have to make the stuffing balls. For that, we have to apply oil in our hand and we have to make the stuffing balls. And keep it in a plate. After stuffing the ball, we can flatten it to any shape what you like. I am making a round shape cutlet. Keep it ready on a plate. Like this, we have to make the stuffing balls with the stuff ready already. Now we have to mix the all-purpose flour with adding a pinch of salt to taste and little bit of water so that we get the consistency of a dosa batter. We have to take the cutlet balls and dip it in this all-purpose flour mixture. Then dab it in the breadcrumbs. Keep it ready. Like this, do for the other balls also. Then we can go for the cooking. After dapping the balls into the breadcrumbs, before putting it into the oil, we have to deep freeze it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. After taking the cutlet from the freezer, we can put it in the oil, which is ready for frying now. The oil can be to the level it is fully dipped inside it, and we have to turn it gently. The cutlet has come out very well. It is very tasty and delicious. You can see the texture also. Now the vegetable cutlet is ready to offer and serve. Try this recipe in your home and let me know your comments. Thank you.
Wow!